When it comes to celebrations, dinner parties, and the occasional stay-at-home date night, they all tend to have one thing in common: the dining room. It's one of the most important rooms in your home, and creating a warm and inviting dining area doesn't have to be complex or difficult. Choosing a color palette is the first step, and in this room we did a combination of grays and whites to bring a level of elegance to the space. One of the unique things about this table is the distressed finish that carries through to the matching chairs. And we also added 2 upholstered chairs to soften the look of the whole room. Lighting is an important element for any space. We've added these vintage floor and table lamps to help brighten up the room. The matching console keeps with the theme of the whole room while offering storage and a place to display your favorite tableware. Finally, adding some plants can bring the room to life and add a splash of color. As always, you can find everything in this room and more at American Furniture Warehouse.